Okay, so many people ask me what I actually put in my meal prep trays for my lunch for the week, and do I do the same thing every week, and do I really portion control? Yes, yes, and yes. About 90% of the time I have the same in these meal prep trays. One, it's delicious. Two, I know exactly how much to put in there. And three, it's easy and it's my go-to, and that's just what I've always done. So these little meal trays here, I get the ones with the 3 compartments. Super easy to do. I also get cupcake holders, and that is for anything that is wet or you want to separate anything out. These are perfect for that. They're very inexpensive. And I also always have my kitchen scale to put everything together. So I know now how much to put of everything, but if you are just starting out, a kitchen scale is going to be your absolute best friend. Okay, so you know exactly how much you are putting in each one. So like my fresh blueberries, I do 1/4 cup. And I put that in my little cupcake holder. Again, I've washed them, and so I don't want anything to be kind of messing around, especially if you take these with you on the go, then this will absorb any liquid you have. The second thing I'm gonna do with my cupcake holder is I love hot pickles. So I'm gonna put those in next. Actually, 1 serving is 6 pickles. Again, I know that, but just read the jar of what 1 serving is for you, and then you'll know exactly what to do for that. The next thing we're gonna do is I always do cheese, and I splurge and get gourmet cheese. I think when you do this, and you are meal prepping and you want to do this kind of, you know, healthy lifestyle and really put the effort into it, you ought to put the effort into buying things that, 1, taste really good, 2, are really good for you, and 3, that you're going to eat and you're not going to get bored, and you're not going to say, well, I did it for 3 days and then that doesn't work for me, because you didn't like what your lunch was that day. So that to me is very, very important. So I go to the deli and get some really good cheese that I like. Again, use your scale, portion that out. I know about how much mine is. I cut it up myself, so I know exactly how many little pieces there are. And then the last thing I'm gonna put right here is my cooked chicken. I take whole chicken breast or boneless, skinless chicken breast, okay? And I put those in the oven. I personally love Cajun seasoning, so I just put Cajun seasoning on there, bake it in the oven until it's done, about 40-45 minutes or so, and then that is it. This is my lunch meal tray every day for lunch for the week. Sometimes I actually have these for dinner as well. And you can trade out anything you like, don't like. I love sugar snap peas. So if these are usually like a little snack for me, so I get the little cups and put those in a little cup snack. I don't use ranch or anything like that. I just eat them plain. And that's a great little snack for mid-morning or afternoon. But I'm gonna make I usually make about 8 of these at a time, and then they are in there. My family can pull them out. They love the things as well. But again, even if I had this at lunch, I may have it for dinner that night too. Quick, easy, on the go. You can just take it with you. But yeah, if you're looking for a healthier lifestyle and wanting to really focus on the things that you eat every day, meal prepping to me is the #1 thing.